Hi teacher, it's me, Kayla Diaz. This is my workshop making a presentation about my best friends. She is Lily, my best friend. She is funny, intelligent, honest, dreamer. Everything she has set her mind to in life, she has achieved. The most beautiful thing about her personality is her candor and innocence. That is her greatest treasure. She is passionate about teaching and constantly dreams of doing new things. But her greatest passion is serving God. She lives eternally in love with her husband Cesar. She does not like lies. She hates hypocrisy. She doesn't like healthy food and she doesn't like coffee. She could fix any electrical appliance when she was a child. She could dress just like her mother when they went out together. She couldn't sleep without lights on. She couldn't go to school alone. She can go out alone anywhere, but she prefers to go out with her husband. She can no longer fix electrical appliances because she doesn't have time. She can do anything she sets her mind to in life. She never gives up. Her friendship is a treasure for me. She's a real friend. We don't spend all our time together, but she's there when I need her. Thanks for your friendship, Lily. God bless you. Bye-bye, teacher.